And then when I came first time to Israel in 2007, I also didn't know. Like it was kind of falling in love from the first time when I came here. And this romance was very many years, very intense. And then I decided that we need to get married because or I will live, or we have to leave each other, or I need to kind of commit myself. So I decided to commit myself to that I cannot all the time be kind of like a friend of the family. I want to be the part of the family.
Mm-hmm. And when actually did you start your conversion?
I start my conversion in 2010. I was 31. It took me many years that this decision, and I was getting deeper and deeper into. I started from culture, but then I got to relate to the people, and then to religion. It was in the like kind of in the end of. But also I've got to religion by music, because I was called by beautiful song, Shabbat song, Yedid Nefesh, and I fell in love with this song, and then it attracted me to come to the synagogue. And Yedid Nefesh